2 to the power t plus 3 to the power t. Find the t value. First, we can write the 2 to the power t, and so 2 to the power t divide 3 to the power t. So this is equal to 1, and so we can write the 2 to the power 3 is, you can write this, and this is 1 equal to, we can write any number of power of 0 is 1. So this we can write 2 to the power 3, 2 by 3. This we can write this power of 0 is 1. So this is the similar base, and this, so t is equal to 0. So now prove, verify this. If t is equal to 0, so this value is 1, this term value, and this is t, and this t is equal to 0, so this value is 1. So these two are similar, verified. So t is equal to 0 is right. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you.